What's going on, folks? Larry here. I am back to do my recap for today. It is Wednesday, 11/19. I'm going to make this short and quick today. I'm going to have to do it just a little bit different. I spent most of my days trying to sort stuff out with NinjaTrader. I had some troubles and nothing wanted to work for me today, but we'll go ahead and get into this. We'll just start with the numbers on my TradingView accounts. I mean, this is getting ready to reset, so I hadn't logged into my other one, but I ended up making about 200 in my personal account. I was trading some evals and all my other accounts ended up green. Like I said, I wasn't really trying to push it because they're well over payout. I just gotta wait till Thursday or Friday so I can request a payout on them. But it's still end of the day green, about 1,800 bucks on the funded accounts. I'm tickled to death with that. I'm gonna have to go over, I didn't get to screenshot my rhythmic accounts, so we will go over it just a little bit different. I'm logged into my Prop Shop Trader account here. I had a winning trade today. We'll go over that in a minute. As you can see, the balance, I got it up to 55,890. That has got me down to 46% consistency. I was at 56. So once I get that down to 30, I can request my payout. Like I said, that trade last Friday where we had the glitch and I was in the trade for 2 minutes and didn't know it, it put my percentage a little higher than I wanted. So now I just got to trade it and get my consistency percentage down. But looking down here again today, this is the trade I took. It was a winner. It hit my take profit of $412 and I was in that trade for 4 seconds. Crazy day, crazy day. So let me close this out. We'll go ahead and go over the larger time frame real fast. This is the 1 hour chart I got pulled up here, and these are the key zones. I had to go back and redraw all these stinking things today. I mean, it is a pain in the rear end when you got to go back and redo all this, change your colors and everything. It's aggravating. I have drew a trend line on this 1 hour chart. This morning we pushed up to it and almost broke through it, but then it failed. And then this afternoon with NVIDIA earnings and stuff coming out, it pushed right back through it. So my thinking for tomorrow is maybe tomorrow or overnight we pull back and retest this trend line and we push up and get through this zone right here and keep it pushing. So, maybe this area down here has been the bottom, this 24,500 area. Maybe that's the bottom for now. Maybe we can start pushing back up. But looking at a smaller time frame, this is the 5-minute opening range this morning, and this is the trade we took. I got in it as soon as we broke through. I mean, it pushed up, 30 points as soon as we broke through the range. We pulled back to a little under the 5-minute range and took off again. And let me tell you something. If you didn't watch your market today, it was crazy. Look, I mean, we started pushing. This was that zone, the area of interest that I had drew, and we got through it, and I mean, it just went parabolic. I mean, it just kept pushing and pushing. We made it up here to this other area of interest, and it started failing. Look at that mess. I mean, it just sold plumb off. I mean, that is crazy. So, I mean, just that little drop right there, that sell-off was, we'll say 24,990 to 24,750. I mean, that is crazy. 207 points sell off. So, and we got below VWAP. We come back down and retested a 5-minute range. I did not trade none of this chop. Right in here, I missed this because that's when all my troubles started. I actually did get the trade to push up. I was rotating through accounts, just trading momentum. I mean, that's all you could trade. They wasn't no kind of pattern set up or nothing. It was just momentum. I mean, it just kept a pushing. But I missed this because I spent probably about 3 hours or 4 sorting through this NinjaTrader stuff where I got myself into today, trying to get everything to work again. This evening right here at 4:20, they announced NVIDIA earnings. Of course, I mean, it pushed it up, I think probably 100 points. 24,700. Well, we're up about 280 points right now from NVIDIA earnings. It just pushed it up. So I don't know, maybe tomorrow we won't have such a crazy day. Maybe it'll be somewhat normal. I may not get the trade first thing in the morning. I gotta take my son to a orthodontist appointment, so we'll see. I don't know what time I will get back. I may miss the opening range trade. I don't know. But again, if y'all don't care, just hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you all for watching, and I will catch you tomorrow.